Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, now I want to give the assignment solutions for week 10 of blockchain and its applications. So the last date for this assignment is tomorrow night. So very lately I am submitting. Okay, so please go through that. The answers are given as per my knowledge, so it took a long time to complete this. So see, just go through the answers. First of all, we are having the answer one. Question number one is is C, option C. Which of the following statements are true for PBFT? That is option C. Create multiple pseudonymous identities to subvert the 3F plus 1 requirements of PBFT. So C is the correct option for this. Coming to the question number two, Alice has an account, the Ethereum network, and wants to transfer ETH to Bob, who has an account in the Bitcoin network. Is it possible to do so? For this, the answer is C. Yes, it's possible via a trusted third party. So, option C is the correct answer for this. And now, coming to the question number three, one major issue with TTP based asset transfer is it is very slow. Is it true or false? The answer for question number three is false. So option B is the correct option for this. Now coming to the question number 4, one of the advantages of TTP based asset transfer is it is very secure and no money has been stolen from here till date. Is it true or false? So the answer is false. So option B is the correct answer for this. And now coming to the question number 5, what are some of the issues that exist in asset exchange? So all will come here. The option A, B, C, D, A, B, C all are correct. So option D for question number 5 is the correct answer for this is. Now coming to the question number 6. What is an escrow? Escrow is an agreement in which assets are held and distributed when conditions are met. So option A is the correct answer for this. Now coming to the question number 7. Which of the following is guaranteed in the atomic swap protocol? The option A and option C as the correct answers are correct options for this. A. All swaps will take place only when all parties conform to the protocol. And C. No coalition has an incentive to deviate from the protocol. So 7. A and C are the correct answers for question number 7. Now coming to the question number 8. Can LI send 1 BTC to its own account using time locked contract? Correct option for this is on option D. So it depends on the time value mentioned in the contract. So option D is the correct answer for this. Now coming to the question number 9. Suppose LS has time locked contract as. So which one is the correct answer for this? What will happen if LS refuses to reveal the key and timeout occurs? Option A is the correct answer for this. So 1 BTC refunded to LIs. So this one is the correct answer for this. Option A is the correct answer for question number 9. Now coming to the last question and question number 10. Which of the following statements is valid for multi-party atomic cross-chain swap where allies Bob and Carol are the parties? Option A and option D are the correct answers for this. So for this first one, if LS halts while contracts are being deployed, then all contracts eventually time out and trigger refunds. If Carol halts during the triggering of contracts, only Carol ends up worse off. So A and D are the correct answers for this. So these are the correct answers I have given as per my knowledge. So just to go through it, once again I will show the correct answers for each and every question. Question number 1, it is option C. Question number 2, it is option C. Question number 3, it is B. Question number 4 also, it is B. Question number 5, it is D. Question number 6, it is A. Question number 7, A and C. Question number 8, it is D. Question number 9, it is A. Question number 10, it is A and D. So if at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you for watching. Thank you one and all.